viewers, welcome to another video from RLTR Group. So today we are going to talk about how the market is going to end the week on the 19th of Feb 2021. So where will Bank Nifty be tomorrow? Let's quickly have a look on the current levels and find out about that. And also I will talk about how we made this 25,000 today and more information about what the Bank Nifty is going to do tomorrow. And if you want to make similar profits like this, join our free Telegram channel that has been listed below, and it's absolutely free. And if you want to join the live trading community, then go to www.rltrgroup.com and join us straight away. So we'll see you on the live trading session tomorrow at 9:15. We start every day. So let me just go back to the fact and understand what did I tell yesterday. So all our levels from yesterday were met. Now before we come to that particular zone, we need to understand a few things about what Bank Nifty has done. Bank Nifty early in the morning, early in the morning, it tried to break our level of 36,782, the one that I showed you yesterday with a curve that there is a pattern that you guys need to actually see. So there was a head here, a small shoulder, a head, a small shoulder, and then there was a breakdown is what we had planned. But the most important thing that you need to keep in mind is that the Bank Nifty is at this moment on a negative side already. So at this moment, it took exact same support from the prices that it gapped up on the 15th of February. So tomorrow, the market, if it is opening below the same range right here, and if it takes out any level over here, we can see immediate targets. Now let us go ahead and define and see how those targets can be found. Now on the upside, let me just go with the upside first and then go to the downside targets. So on the upside over here, this is the first level that I see at 36,980. So this is our first level. Now let me just change the color to green. So this is the first level that I'm looking at that it can go ahead and test. So if Bank Nifty goes ahead and takes out 36,768 over here, we can look for an immediate target of 200 points right here at this space. If Bank Nifty comes down and takes the target below, then remember that we have a support here that it can actually act as the closing price of the 12th that was last Friday can actually act as a support. So what you need to do is you need to keep in mind if Bank Nifty takes out 36,385 tomorrow, it will go down right here. So just another thing that I wanted to tell you, Bank Nifty is already on top of its game. So it is near its all-time high. So volatility of 300 points can be seen every day. So remember the position that you might be holding. It might give you a couple of chances to exit before you exit this position. All right. So today, Bank Nifty, beautifully right now at 9:35 is where we were actually having a look as to where the Bank Nifty was trending. And today, our profits actually came in when this rejection occurred over here at this zone. Okay, we took our position and then we had placed our stop loss because we were expecting it to fall over here. And when Bank Nifty came here at this particular space, we went ahead, booked our profits. But if we could have let it go a long place, but we just chose to be content with 25,000. The last couple of open positions that you see was just, butterfinger trades that we actually took in because we did not get any hero zero opportunity, because what Bank Nifty did at the end of the day is that it came down, it went up, it came down, it went up, it ended sideways. So we are going to be following global cues going forward from tomorrow. There is nothing happening here in India that can actually change anything over here for our market. So we will be reacting as to how Dow is reacting and how the global market is reacting. So we are going to be global sentiment driven. If you want to go ahead and understand that and be profitable, then do join us on www.rltrgroup.com and trade live with us so that you can make similar profits as what we are making and be consistent every day. Thank you so much for your time. I will come ahead with another fascinating video tomorrow with a very good testimonial. We will see you around once again tomorrow. Thank you so much for your time. Have a beautiful day. Take care. Jai Hind. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.